Hello and welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering what this extra video is, but this is the start of my new business. I would have talked about it in my other video, but I wanted to film it and document it. So it's going to be called Delilah Designs and it's going to be on Etsy for now. And it's going to be a stationery store, mostly stickers at the moment. That's what I'm starting out with. And at the moment I'm just doing some research here on how to make the stickers more waterproof, as I want them to be water balls and everything, so they don't, and also so they don't get damaged. So I'm just looking at videos of that, look and see how I can make it waterproof. I ended up going with the laminate sheet, so stay tuned for next week's video to see them. So here I'm just showing you a design I did of a hamster, and this is going to be hopefully be my stamp that I'm going to be getting soon. I haven't got it yet. As I just showed in the last clip as well, I'm still waiting on getting my printer. It's been out of stock for a while now. Hopefully it's the one here. A little sticker to go on my packages to say that it was made by me. So I'm gonna leave you to the nice music and watch this. I don't know what it's called really. Sorry, I'm not very good at this voiceover thing. Let me know also, so I'm making you let me know a lot of stuff, but if you would prefer me not to talk and just do the subtitles and use it and like sort of a bit like ASMR-y sort of things, like background noise, and I'll do that for you. So this is the last you'll hear from me on this video, so I'll see you next week.